Yo, what's good, guys? It's your guy Henry. So I'm here to give you guys a trade breakdown on my three pairs. So let's head into it. So what's good, guys? So I'm going to explain to you guys what I have for this new week. So it's a new week, and we pray for a profitable week ahead. So for this new week, what do you think I'm expecting for the new week? So currently on BTC we are bearish, but for the weekly candle we still have 4 hours 15 minutes for it to close. So I'm not going to do anything on BTC right now because we don't have any direction for the new week for now until this candle has closed. So I'm going to skip BTC. So for Euro USD, let's delete everything on EU. Sorry, on GBP USD. Sorry, GBP USD, not Euro USD. So what do you think I'm expecting? So let's start from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, what do you think we have? We have this last month candle closed below last 2 months candle, so that signifies that we are bearish. You go to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame now, we have the market took out this liquidity here, tapped into a point of interest, and now we have a rejection. Yes, we have a rejection. Now let's go back to the monthly time. On the monthly time frame, where do you think is our liquidity? This low is our liquidity. Last month's low is our liquidity. So the last month's low is where the market should ideally get to. It might not ideally get to this low before the end of the month, because the weekly time frame shows that we are bearish. The weekly time frame closed below last 2 weeks lows. Close below 2 weeks lows, showing that we are what? We are bearish. So what do you think I'll do now? This whole place becomes our point of interest, but we need something more sophisticated or more clearer. So now we have here, we had the break of structure here, meaning that this low is our liquidity, and the market did not take out that low, or failed to take out that low. Now price closed inside this zone. So what do you think I'm expecting? I'm expecting the market to come and take out this high first. So this high becomes my liquidity, and if you observe, there is a tiny fair value gap here. So this fair value gap becomes my PY. So either we get the market coming into this zone. Let's move this. Coming into this zone. Then we should have like a confirmation and a drop, or the market leaves those zones, comes to this zone here, give us a confirmation, or this FVG here, because there's a clear fair value gap here, comes here, give us a confirmation and drop. So either ways we are active, but personally I want to look at the nearest PY to the market or to current market price, which is this PY. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just basically going to observe this. Once the market takes out this high, so this high becomes my reference point. So once that high gets taken out, I just go to my 1 hour time frame and look for my confirmation. I think a similar thing is on GBP, on Euro USD. Sorry, Euro USD. The monthly time frame is at least clearer than GBP USD. We had the close below here. Now the kind of close like this, so this low becomes our liquidity. We go to the weekly time frame. The weekly, so how I caught that Euro USD that I posted, I think some minutes ago, a day ago. This high became our liquidity, and price tapped into this fair value gap here. So this fair value gap became our high time frame PI. So the moment I got the market coming to that zone, I went to my lower time and I got my confirmation. So right now, what do you think I will do now for the new week? The new week closed below this low, below last 2 weeks low. So now we are expecting the market to push up a little bit. So now, how do you think I should look for my entry? Now we have the markets giving us kind of like a form of liquidity here, and giving us a PY here, because we had a break of structure here. But now, why do you think I'm using this zone? Because there's a fair value gap price currently reacting from. Why am I not using this fair value gap here? because this fair value gap is where the market is reacting from. So why do you think I am not using this fair value gap now as my POI? I'm not using it because number one, let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did not have a break of structure before the price pushed up. This was not a break of structure. That's the reason I did not make use of, or I'm not considering FVG as a valid fair value gap. Sorry, that's my only reason, because this was not a break of structure. This was a week and the price closed inside the zone. Even if you go to the 4 hour, it's still not a break of structure. It is still not a break of structure. So I will not take that fair value gap as valid. I will only take this high as a liquidity, or as a form of liquidity for the market to do what? To push up, come here, give us like a confirmation, then I take my trade. You get what I'm saying? So now we have a lot of opportunities on this Euro USD. So I think we should just basically wait. So my bias is clear. We are looking for what? For sales. But first we expect the market to reprice. Expect the market to reprice first. Then we have like tap into the PI confirmation, and we have sales. So I think that's it for my two pairs. So these two pairs are clearer. So that's what I expect for these two pairs, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next daily breakdown. Guys, if there will be any. Peace out.